Outline method braided wig versus non-outline method braided wig. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the difference between outline method braided wig and non-outline method. Let's just say we are going to learn the difference and know the one that suits us better and the one we prefer. Now for the outline method, I'm using 5x5 net and I'm already outlining the lace net. So if you want to get a more detailed explanation on this outline method and non-outline method, I have a separate videos on this channel, so click and learn how to do it. So this is a quick gist. Now I've been contemplating outline method braided wig and non-outline method, which one is better. I know some of you must have been thinking of this, which one is better, which one is actually better. So this is what we are going to discuss in this video. In the outline method, after you have outlined your lace net, this is what you are going to do. Use your ventilating pin and start ventilating, which is to put the needle in a hole and pick 2 strands of hair. Follow the line that you have outlined, pick 2 strands of hair, which is your normal ventilation. So follow this process and let's see how this outline method braided wig is going to look like. Once you are done ventilating the line, you are going to open it up and ventilate the bust. The usual way which we do our ventilation is to pick 2 strands of hair, then space one line and ventilate the other one. So back to my gist. I'm someone that have done this outline method and non-outline method. I'm also someone that do wear the both of them. But to me, I think it depends how you ventilate it. Yeah, it all depends on how you ventilate it. I don't know about you. If you want to see these 2 ventilation and know the one that you actually prefer, or maybe you have been doing this ventilation, so stick around and see the 2 type of ventilating and conclude on the one you want, or whether you want both or you prefer one either. This is what outline ventilation looks like. This is what outline ventilation is. Now I've put it on the wig cap. What we're going to do now is just to braid it. So guys, this is the final look of this outline method braided wig. I hope you have observed this kind of ventilating. Now for the non-outline, I'm using 5x5 Swiss lace net also. Now place it on your manicure and ventilate. For this one, I'm not doing any grid line whatsoever. I'm not doing any outline method. All you need is to get your ventilating pin and the hair you are using or attachment and do your normal ventilating, which is to pick 2 strands of hair. Okay, I'm done ventilating and this is how it looks like. What we are going to do next to get a more natural ventilation or more natural braided wig is to treat this attachment because we didn't waste it. This is a close look of what the ventilating looks like after treatment. I'm going to do the braiding, which is the knotless braid. Okay guys, this is the final look of the outline method and the non-outline method. These the two. Give me your comments on what you think about these two methods. Which one do you prefer? If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to be part of this amazing family and for more content. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye.